Hey, what's up guys, this is Glocky White here and today I'm going to be unboxing a 1962 Mercedes 220 SE. So as you can see, I've now unboxed the car. It looks pretty good. In real life, this car came with an inline 6-cylinder engine, a 2.2 liter, producing 88 kilowatts and 206 Newton meters of torque. It looks pretty good. It's obviously a race car, that's why it has all the sponsors on the side and even has a little number on there. Pretty good blue paintwork. Very good looking car. And this is the box. As you can see, there's a picture of the car. And this is the back of the car. Has the Mercedes logo on the trunk. A little bit difficult to see, but it's there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you all later. Bye.